Essay on how I spend my leisure time. Hobby is something that a person likes to do in leisure time. Hobby gives us joy and keeps us busy. My hobby is gardening. I like to water the plants and flowers. I like to grow the greenery. I have a piece of land in front of my house. I have grown flowers and vegetables in it. We get fresh vegetables from the garden. Flowers give us sweet smell. My small garden refreshes me when I am tired. I enjoy myself there. It keeps me busy. I spend my leisure time in gardening. I like this hobby very much. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.